Top 5 Reasons to Learn Data Science in 2023. Why to learn data science in 2023 by Let Me Study. High demand for data science professionals. Data science is one of the most in-demand fields in today's job market. With the exponential growth of data in every industry, companies are eager to hire skilled data scientists who can extract insights from vast amounts of data. According to an IBM report, data science jobs would likely grow by 30%. The estimated figure of a job listing is 2,720,000 for data science in 2023. Also, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, about 11 million jobs will be created by 2026. Learning data science will provide you with a competitive edge in the job market. Lucrative salaries. Data science is also one of the highest-paying jobs in the industry. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data scientist in the U.S. is $113,309 per year. However, with experience and expertise, data scientists can earn over $200,000 per year. Learning data science can open doors to high-paying career opportunities. Versatile skills. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that requires knowledge of programming, statistics, and domain expertise. Learning data science can provide you with a range of skills that can be applied in various fields. For instance, data science skills are highly relevant in fields such as healthcare, finance, and retail. You can also use your skills to work on your own data-driven projects, such as building predictive models. Continuous learning opportunities. Data science is a field that is constantly evolving, with innovative technologies and techniques emerging regularly. Learning data science can be a continuous process, as you need to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. This means that you will have plenty of opportunities to learn new skills and stay up to date with the latest developments in the field. Impactful career. Data science has a direct impact on the business world. Data scientists help companies make informed decisions by providing insights from data. This means that a career in data science can be extremely rewarding, as you will be able to see the tangible impact of your work. Additionally, data science can be used to tackle social and environmental issues, such as climate change and healthcare, making it a fulfilling career choice. In conclusion, learning data science in 2023 can provide you with a range of benefits, from high-paying career opportunities to versatile skills and continuous learning opportunities. With the demand for data science professionals on the rise, it is a field that is worth considering.